Samsung is at it again. They just announced their brand new Galaxy S10e, the Galaxy S10, and the Galaxy S10 Plus. In this video, I'm going to run down the best features, the top 5 that stuck out to me about Samsung's brand new flagships for 2019. What's going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, the channel's all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon, so you don't miss any future videos. As I mentioned, we are outside here of Samsung's hospitality suite, where we just got our hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. In this video, I'm telling you all about my favorite features, the top 5 features that stuck out to me about Samsung's brand new flagship smartphones for 2019. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to Upsy for sponsoring this video. Upsy is the best insurance on the market. You can use code AndrewS10 to save 10% on an insurance plan, and I'll tell you more about them later in this video. Without any further ado, let's get started on the top 5 features, starting with the most obvious feature of the phone, the dynamic AMOLED display. What you're looking at is the next level infinity display. This is the world's first HDR10 Plus certified display on a smartphone. This is an Infinity O type display, and that's why you see that camera up there in the top right area through the screen cutout. It is the most color accurate display Samsung's ever made, and it also supports a blue light reduction feature to go easy on your eyes in the evenings. On top of that, Samsung says this phone has excellent outdoor visibility, so it's clear and easy to see even in bright sunlight. Up next, let's talk about how you actually get into the phone. A lot of people have been waiting for this feature, and it's finally here. Feature number 2 is the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader. This is the first ever ultrasonic fingerprint reader in a smartphone, and it's the most advanced embedded fingerprint scanning method ever. It works by simply scanning a 3D image of your fingerprint right through the display. So what that means is you can unlock your phone right on the display without a dedicated fingerprint reader around back. As you can see here, it's a seamless experience. Just put your thumb on the display and it gets you right into the phone. Not only does it work when your phone is lit up to the home screen, but it also works when your display is off as well. Samsung also says that the security behind fingerprint scanning will be updated on a regular basis through software. Now, as the fingerprint reader is integrated into the display, you're gonna wanna make sure your display and the whole phone is protected, and that is where the sponsor of this video, Upsy, comes in. Upsy warranties cost up to 70% less than similar plans from other retailers, and you can pick up a plan up to 45 days after you buy your new smartphone. If by chance something does happen to your device, Upsy stores your original receipt and device info, so making a claim is super simple. In fact, you can make a claim with Upsy 24/7, 365 days a year, and when you do so, you'll be talking to a real person and not a machine.
And if your phone needs repair, just so you know that it gets to the right place, Upsy works with nationwide certified Samsung repair shops.
Head on over to Upsy.com right now to protect your devices, and don't forget to use promo code AndrewS10 to save 10% on your purchase. Let's get back into the top 5 features with feature number 3, the Pro Grade camera. The camera is one of the most used features on any smartphone, and Samsung has added some professional features to this year's camera. As you'll see around back, we've now got triple cameras. You've got the 77-degree field of view with the wide lens, you've got a 45-degree field of view with the zoom lens, and the brand new ultra wide gives you a 123-degree field of view, which is similar to what's captured by the human eye. So what that means is when you're using the ultra-wide camera, you're actually capturing what you physically can see. In addition, it also now features super steady video, records in HDR10 Plus, and can even record in 4K using the front camera as well. Samsung's also enhanced the intelligent scene optimizer. That's where the camera figures out what you're pointing it at to optimize all the settings to give you the best picture possible. One of the newest shot suggestions this year is one specifically dedicated to shoes. So all you sneakerheads out there, pick up a Galaxy S10 if you want to make your shots of your kicks look even more fire. Up next, one of the most unique features that we're seeing on the Galaxy S10. In fact, I don't think I've seen this on any other phone to date. It's called wireless power share. Wireless power share allows you to use your Samsung Galaxy S10 as a wireless charger to charge your other devices. All you need to do is swipe down into your controls and enable wireless power share, turn the phone upside down, and it becomes a Qi charger, which means you can charge any Qi compatible device using the Galaxy S10. So that means you can take the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are gonna sell for $129.99, and place them on the back of the Galaxy S10 and they'll start charging. You can take another smartphone that's Qi compatible, for example, another Galaxy S10 or an iPhone XS, put that on the back of the Galaxy S10 and that will start charging. Again, anything that's Qi compatible can be charged using the Galaxy S10. One quick note about that, for those of you worried about your battery life, when you're using the feature, as soon as your Galaxy S10 reaches 30% battery life, it will stop charging any external devices so you don't run out of juice. And last but not least, on the top 5 features list, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be available in 5G. Samsung did not give us a final release date, but they did tell us that sometime in the first half of 2019, the 5G variant of the Samsung Galaxy S10 will initially launch on Verizon exclusively, and sometime later in the first half of 2019, it'll also come to Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, and Xfinity Wireless. Now, 5G speeds is not the only special feature of this variant. Let me tell you a little more about it. The Samsung Galaxy S10 5G will be the first 5G Galaxy phone launched in the world. It also has the largest infinity display ever released at 6.7 inches. So that's even bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which comes in at 6.4 inches. The Galaxy S10 5G will also have a 3D depth camera, which will be great for things like augmented reality. As far as battery goes, it'll also have a high capacity 4,500 milliamp hour battery as well. As you can see here, we were able to get a shot with the 5G version, but we weren't able to actually physically put our hands on it. You're probably curious about pricing. The Samsung Galaxy S10e will start at $749.99. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will start at $899.99. And the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will start at $999.99. No pricing was given for the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G just yet. If you want to pick up one of these devices, pre-orders start on February 21st and it will go on sale on March 8th. So there you have it, guys. That was your look at my top 5 features of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments below and I'll meet you there for further discussion. Don't forget you can drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget you can always click or tap on my face here at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards and I will catch you in the next video.